Hello and welcome to this short training video on KWIZ Forms. In this video, we will learn how to use tokens such as today, me, or now to create dynamic field validation rules. First, let's go to the field level constraints settings page and let's get started creating an example of a rule. In our case, we want to validate that the report date field is not in the future when the user reports an error. So in the validate field section, we will select the report date field. Afterwards, in the matches this criteria section, we need to make sure that the value is less or equal to today. So we'll select the rule value and operator we need to have less than. However, we don't have less or equal, so we will choose less than, and for the value, we'll enter the today token by entering today between square brackets and adding a +1. So the value must be less than tomorrow, so reporting an error today will work. We also need to enter a custom message for our users, like say, cannot report problems in the future. We do not need to add a condition in the conditions section since this rule always applies, and afterwards I will add a field level validation rule to my form and click on OK. Now let's go to the help desk list and test it out. If we enter a new issue, let's call it test 2, and try to enter a date in the future such as the 25th of March, when I click on save, I will have an error that we cannot report problems in the future. If I select the date to be today and I click save, I will be able to save the form. Thank you for watching this video on how to use tokens to create dynamic field validation rules for KWIZ Forms.